Okay, everyone, I really hate it when kids mess with fire alarms in schools. I really hate it. Because what those kids are doing is risking other people's lives. That is not okay at all, so don't mess with fire alarms in schools. Fire alarms are not toys. They are very serious devices that save people's lives and save buildings from being burnt to the ground. Because they alert people that there is a fire in the building and they must evacuate immediately. And they contact the fire department to put the fire out. So, never mess with these things. I am done with kids messing with fire alarms in schools. Stop it if you have been. These are not toys. It's not funny. It's not a joke. It's not a prank. This is very serious. Do not ever mess with fire alarms in public buildings for any reason. I am done with this. Kids messing with fire alarms in schools. They are not toys. Bye.